Last time, we learned what a construction contract is and the two types. But today, here's a new question. What if ABC Builders won contract to construct 2 buildings on the same site? Is that one contract or 2? Let's find out.
If it's one contract, we track combined progress. If it's 2, each building is tracked separately. AS7 gives us clear rules to decide. This matters because it changes how we recognize revenue and cost. AS7 says, treat each asset as a separate contract when 3 things are true. 1. Separate proposals were submitted for each asset. 2. Each asset was separately negotiated and could be accepted or rejected on its own. And 3. The costs and revenue of each asset can be clearly identified. All 3 together mean, treat it as separate contracts. Now here's the flip side. A group of contracts is treated as one single contract when 3 things are true. 1. They were negotiated together as a single package. 2. They're so closely interrelated that they're really part of one project, with one overall profit margin, single package. And 3. The work happens at the same time or in a continuous sequence. All 3 together mean, treat it as one single contract. Sometimes, a customer asks for an additional asset partway through, like an extra floor. This is treated as a separate contract only if the new asset differs significantly in design or its price was negotiated on its own. Let's apply this. XYZ Construction Ltd. is building an industrial complex with separate proposals raised for each unit. Since each unit went through separate negotiation and could be accepted or rejected on its own, 2 conditions are already met. And XYZ can identify the costs and revenue for each unit individually. So all 3 conditions are now met. So XYZ Ltd. must treat the construction of each unit as a separate construction contract. Now compare this to our earlier example. 2 residential buildings, built together on the same premises at the same time. Priced together as one package and negotiated that way from the start. Because they're negotiated as a single package and built concurrently, this is treated as one single construction contract. So today we learned when to treat construction as separate contracts, when to combine them into one, and what happens when a customer adds something new midway. Next time, we'll dig into what exactly counts as contract revenue. See you in the next video.